Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will be showing you how to find the link in bio on Instagram. It's super easy and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the profile of the user whose link in bio you wanted to find. You can do this by either searching for the username using the search bar at the bottom or by tapping on your profile picture from your feed or stories. Once you are on their profile, look right under their username. The bio section is located there. If they have a link in their bio, it will be displayed as a clickable URL. Tap on the link and it will open in your browser or within the Instagram app, depending on the type of link. You can now explore the website, product page, or any other content the link directs you to. Sometimes users use link services like Linktree, which may take you to a page with multiple links. If you don't see a link in the bio, the user may not have one, or they might have removed it. And that's it. You have learned how to find the link in bio on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.